Okay, we're filming, so hold this like that, and let me go. Stand. Okay, so here we go. Chevy.
Is it Chevy or GMC? These lights get pretty bad sometimes. These look pretty bad. Y'all can see that. The comfort of your living room.
Okay, Mr. Commentary.
And our computer room.
You mean that's all you had to do?
So far.
And it's running off.
Keep it
And
running.
we'll let this come close to drying on the first application.
Let it go for a minute. When it's at a minute, I'll wipe it off, and I'll hit it with one more cut.
That's how it
Wait a
works.
minute. We're
Okay.
off. Under 5. That's where we're shooting.
Under 5.
This is the Revivalite 5-minute challenge.
This is the Revivalite 5-minute challenge. How many cars did you do the other day under 5 minutes?
3.
3.
Alright, it was 1 minute.
They were right next
1
to
minute,
each other, but still.
1 minute.
You're at a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay, I
let's
can't
go in
read
it.
mine, so I
We're
guess
gonna do
yeah.
a wipe off and then a reapplication.
Oh, I just went dead.
Okay. Okay, keep it rolling. Here we go. Okay. There we
Oh,
go.
yeah, good backup, man. I went dead.
Okay, that's first just trying to get this gooey stuff off, bugs and all. And I think the change is pretty obvious at first. Second coat will make all the difference here.
No, I didn't think it was going to last. I think I got battery issues.
Hold on.
All right.
Right. Back up a
We
little
got a
bit.
backup on it, so.
Okay, second application. What are we at? 2 minutes?
140.
Okay, on schedule.
On schedule.
This is for all you YouTubers that think it's fake.
Yeah. 2 cameras on it.
Cut
One
your
hand
throat
and a
when it's
2 of Revivalite.
Oh yeah, right. Say that. That's good.
Hey,
Set
if
a
you
fire.
know anybody that went to the Levins
2
trade
minutes.
show, I think you'll be. You
We're
could
gonna let
ask
go a
them
minute,
what they
then we'll
thought
let
of this
it off.
product. It
And
was
we'll
a
let
hit,
it out the sound
as we knew.
because you guys are.
I got nothing. I can't see if it's recording or not. Okay, go ahead and do
What
it.
time we rolling?
We're at
I'm gonna agitate it a little bit.
228, 230.
2:30. Now these, in all honesty, to bring them back to perfectly new, we probably have to spend another 2 minutes. But that doesn't keep the 5-minute challenge
Is
going.
that 2 minutes or?
I think we're at 3.
It's at 2 minutes still.
Still
240.
240. Okay. Well, maybe we'll get another coat on, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why not? Let's do that. This bottle is good for about 15, 20 coats.
Then
So depending on how bad your lights are, is how many uses you have.
Yeah.
Another
Okay.
good reason to have it in your glove compartment or
Yep.
your garage is a maintenance item. Once you do heal your lights, do it every few months, every
we're on 3
changing
minutes.
your oil.
310.
No worries. Let me know at 4 and it'll come on. Revivalite technology.
That's how I
And
see you
God.
do this, Dean. I always want to say B16. You're the bingo dauber, somewhat.
Won't hurt.
330.
Okay. I know you'll need
At 4.
20 seconds to give me
So-
30 seconds.
So at 430 tell you?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get in there a little bit. You can see the grit on there. You look real closely.
There
Try
it
to get
is.
it
It's going
close.
on.
It should be. You should be able to see the little dots. It's just popping that stuff right off of the.
I think I'm ready to wipe it off.
Viva la
Alright, go ahead.
liberation.
You're at 4 minutes now.
It's good.
Yeah, we will be. Okay, Ryan, I'm going to ask you to back up and do a little bit of a pan out shot for me. Let's get the look from a little ways back. Pan up. Pan up. Yeah. Driver. There you go.
GMC.
Ooh, squeaky clean, yeah. All right.
Get down here.
Here's the
shot.
Stop hammer.
And there you go.
That's the final